Hello students, welcome to this lesson on desert biomes. Desert biomes are dry areas that experience low precipitation. Desert biomes are determined by the amount of rainfall, not by temperature. This biome receives less than 30 centimeter rainfall annually. The temperatures in this biome are extremely low and extremely high. Since the air in this biome lacks moisture, heat quickly loses as the sun sets. Desert biome can be hot or cold desert. In hot and dry desert biomes, temperatures can range from 40 degrees Celsius during the day and less than negative 10 degrees Celsius during the night. Few examples of hot deserts found in North Africa, Central Australia, and Middle East. Plants that are adapted to live in this habitat, such as cacti, have thin needle-like leaves which have low surface area to volume ratio to reduce the loss of water. And these plants also have long roots to reach deep inside into the groundwater. The conditions in hot desert are very dry. The soil is also poor in quality. Very few plants can survive in this biome with many different adaptations like the formation of succulent leaves to conserve water, the development of thorns on stems, branches, and leaves to reduce water loss in this dry condition, and the development of waxy cuticles, which capable to reduce water loss during the dry time. Plants like yuccas, black bush, cacti, and grasses. Animals in hot desert also develop another adaptational behaviors to survive in this biome. These adaptational characteristics are nocturnality and burrowing. Being nocturnal means an animal in which active during the night to feed themselves because they cannot feed themselves during the day due to extremely high temperature. The same is true in burrowing. That means burrowing animals sleep within their burrow during the day and night when the temperature is extremely high and low, and wake up during dawn or very early morning to feed themselves when the temperature is moderate. Animals that are adapted to live in these biomes include snakes, ground squirrels, and jackrabbits. The second types of desert is cold desert. Cold desert receives more rainfall than hot desert, and this is characterized by a lot of snow. That means cold desert is rarely warm for plants to grow. That means the temperatures during the winter ranges from 0 degrees Celsius to negative 50 degrees Celsius with occasional snowfall. The soil is also poor in quality. Cold desert can be found in Antarctica and Greenland. Very few plants can survive with many different adaptations like the shades. The shades means plants that can shed their leaves during the winter season to avoid water loss. Some contain spiny foliage, and plants mostly develop short flowering period. Plants that live in this biome include rubber rabbit brush, tufted saxifrage, and sagebrush. Animals survive here by producing dense and thick coats of fur to conserve their heat. Some animals are burrowing. That means they deep sleep within their burrow to avoid extremely cold temperature, and some molts early winter, and others growing out an extremely white coats for camouflage coloring. Animals like Arctic fox, jackrabbits, and kangaroo rats that are commonly live in this